Let's solve some problems on binary search. Consider the given array. Let the elements be, let the name of the array be A, and let the elements be 2, 6, 13, 21, 36, 47, 63, 81 and 97. So these are the elements of the array. Let the index of the array begin at 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first condition to use binary search is the elements have to be sorted. So we can see that in the given array the elements are all sorted. So let the search element here in this example be 13. I am taking the search element as the key, so key is 13. In case I find the 13, that is the key, then I can say that the search is successful and I have to return the index value. Okay, so let's begin. Initialize the low value. I am going to use the variable BEG indicating the low value. So beginning is set to 0 and high, which is nothing but the end, is initialized to 8. First step, find the mid element. So the mid element is found by taking the average. So 0 plus 8 divided by 2, which is nothing but 4. A of mid, which is nothing but A of 4, is 36. So 36 is the mid element. Now compare the key with the middle element. Since the key to be searched is less than the middle element, which is 36. 13 is the element to be searched, 36 is the mid element. So we have to search on the left hand side. So all the elements to the right hand side including the middle element can be discarded. So 36 to 97 can be discarded. So we have to update the end value. So beginning is set to 0 itself. End value is given by the formula. You have to update the mid minus 1. What is mid? Mid index is 4. 4 minus 1, which is nothing but 3. So the end value is 3. So let's update it here. Beginning is 0. This will be the new end value. Next step, again find the middle element by taking the average. So beginning is 0. 0 plus end value is 3 divided by 2. 3 by 2, 1.5, which is nothing but 1. A of mid, which is nothing but A of 1. A of 1 is 6. So this is nothing but the mid element. This is the new mid. Now compare. Since search element 13 is greater than the mid value, we have to update. What do we update? Do we update the beginning value or do we update the end value? The search element is here 13. 13 is greater than the mid element. That means this beginning value has to be updated. So this is going to be our new beginning. So how do we do that? We have to use a formula. So update the beginning value using the formula middle element plus 1. Middle element is given here, index is 1, 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 2. What about the end value? End value is clear, it is 3. Therefore, now find the average. So middle element is equal to beginning plus end by 2, which is nothing but 5 divided by 2, 2.5, which is 2. So A of mid, which is nothing but A of 2. What is A of 2? 13, which is nothing but the search element. So we can say that we have found the search element, and we can say search is successful and element is found at the index position 2. So now let's look at another example. Consider the elements. Let the elements be 11, 22, 30, 33, 40, 44, 55 and 60. So these are the elements of the, this is 60. These are the elements of the given array. The index value of this array is beginning at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So again, the first condition, the elements are in the sorted order, thus you can apply binary search algorithm. So first step, initialize beginning and the end. Beginning is set to 0 and end is set to 7. Step 1, find the mid element. So mid is nothing but beginning plus end by 2. 7 by 2 is 3.5, thus it is 3. So middle element is found at the index position 3. Okay, what is the search element? Let the search element be 55. So key to be searched is 55. Okay, so now once we have found the mid element, what is there in A of mid? A of mid is nothing but 33. Now compare. Since the search element, we always compare with the search element. Since the search element is greater than the mid element, 55 is greater than 33, that means we have to move this to this position, right? We have to move the beginning, we have to update the beginning value. So since 55 is greater than 33, update the beginning value. Beginning value will be mid plus 1. What is the index of the mid? Index of the mid is 3. So this is nothing but 3 plus 1, which is nothing but 4. So beginning is now updated to the value 4. So this is going to be the new beginning. Now you have the beginning and you have the end value with you. You can easily find the middle element. So middle element will be, beginning value is 4. 4 plus 7 divided by 2. 11 divided by 2 is 5.5, which is 5. So this is the middle element, this is the mid value. So A of mid, which is nothing but A of 5, which is nothing but 44. So now we have to compare. Since the search element 55 is greater than 44, 55 is greater than 44, so we have to again update the beginning value itself, right? Because we are moving to the right side, update the beginning value. So what is the new beginning value? The new beginning value will be mid plus 1. What is the current mid? The current mid value, you can see it is 5. So 5 plus 1 is nothing but 6. So 6 is the new beginning value. So we have the beginning and we have the end value. We can easily find the middle value. So mid will be 6 plus 7 divided by 2. 13 divided by 2 is 6.5, which is nothing but 6. A of mid, which is nothing but A of 6. A of 6 is 55, which is nothing but the search element. So we can say that we have found the search element. So search is successful, element is found, at index position 6. So this is how a binary search algorithm works.